Hello class 7, good morning. Today we are going to start a new chapter, developing skills in QBasic, or it is called conditional statement. See, in class 6 in the final term you have learned how to write QBasic program. You have learned the program based on let statement and input statement. In which class? In class 6. In class 7, in this chapter, you are going to learn the QBasic programs using conditional statements. See, we have some conditional statements in QBasic, like if then and if statement, if then else and if statement, and if then else if statement. So that we are going to start. So once again, this is the beginning of the chapter. So introduction about the QBasic. So what is QBasic? In the year 1975, which year? 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen developed QBasic language. So who developed QBasic language? Bill Gates and Paul Allen together, they developed the QBasic language. In which year? 1975. Next thing, what is the full form of QBasic? Q for quick. Q for quick, B for beginners, A for all purpose, So Q for quick, B for beginners, A for all purpose, S for symbolic, I for instruction, and C for code. So what is the full form of QBasic? Quick, beginners, all purpose, symbolic, instruction, code is the full form of QBasic language. Who developed the QBasic language? Bill Gates and Paul Allen. In which year? 1975. Okay, it is a user-friendly language. User-friendly means easily you can learn this language and you can do the different types of works. It is very easy to learn, not so difficult, which enables various kind of tasks. Now what we can do in the QBasic? We can do the general purpose programs. We can do the general programs. General program means we can do the all types of arithmetical calculation. We can do all types of arithmetical calculation. We can check the condition. Okay. We can do the graphics also. Even you can do the graphics also. Graphical picture can be drawn by using this language, by writing a program. Okay, it is a compiler based high level language. See, it is compiler based. In class 6 I have taught you about a translator program, the language processor, translator. There are two types of translator, interpreter and compiler. Interpreter reads the each and every line of the program, and if it is error free, converts it into the machine level language. Compiler reads the whole program at a time, and if it is error free, converts into machine code, or if it has got the error, a list of error is displayed at last. So QBasic program is what based? Compiler based program. The translator used in QBasic program is compiler, which is used to convert our program in high level language in machine level language. Okay, there are many versions of basic. There are many versions of basic program. Like we have Basica, then we have GW Basic, then P Basic, and the latest one is the QBasic. So we have Basica, GW Basic, P Basic, but in our syllabus we are going to learn which one? We are going to learn QBasic. So this was introduction about the QBasic. Next is features of QBasic. What are the features of QBasic? First feature, it is easy to learn. Very easy to learn. It uses simple English sentences, simple commands of English. So it is easy to learn and is popular among beginners. Popular among beginners means those that learn the programming in the beginning, it is very useful to them. Very easily we can learn this program. It is especially suited for a non-specific programmer. So the person those are not the specialist programmer. Those are not programs, so it suits to them and easily they can learn it, like you are learning. So what is the first feature? It is easy to learn and is popular among beginners as the first programming language. It is especially suited for non-specialist programmers. Anyone can learn this. Second feature, it is available for all systems of computer such as personal computer, mini computer. These programs can be run on all types of computer, whether it is personal computer or it is laptop computer or it is mini computer. In all the computers we can run these programs. Okay. Now third feature, it is a high level language. It is a high level language. In classics I have taught you there are more than 200 high level languages. So it is one of the high level language that uses a compiler as a translator. So what is a translator? What is a language processor? It is used to convert our program written in high level language, that is called the source program or source code, into the machine code, that is called the object program or object code. And what is in the QBasic uses the translator? Which one? Compiler, not the interpreter. Okay. It is suitable for solving the problems. All types of mathematical problems can be solved using QBasic language. It has a graphics and sound generation capabilities. Even you can write the program, QBasic program, by using which we can draw the graphical picture, and you can compose the music also. You can write a program which will generate the music. Music also can be generated by writing the QBasic program. Last, debugging can be done easily. Now what is debugging? Debugging means removing the errors from the program and correcting it. Once again, what is debugging? Debugging means removing the errors from the program and correcting it. That is called debugging. So debugging can be done easily. Okay. So in the today class we had the introduction of QBasic. That QBasic language was developed in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, and its full form is Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is a user-friendly language. It can do all types of general-purpose programs, graphics, and it is a compiler-based program. Then we discussed about the features of QBasic. It is easy to learn and popular among the beginners as the first language, suited to everyone. It is available for all systems of computers like personal computers and mini computer. It is a high level language that can use the compiler. It is suitable for solving the problems, and it has a graphics and sound generation capability. Means we can write the programs to create the graphical pictures, and you can compose the music also, you can play the music also by writing the program. And debugging is easy. Debugging is easy means removing the errors from the program is easy. To learn all these points, thank you.